So today we're doing a review on a handy little gardening product, which is a multi-hoe and cultivator all in one. So this is from Green Man Garden Tools in Yorkshire. Basically it's a family run business who were inspired by their grandfather's tools from way back when. They wanted to try and develop some garden tools that were of the same quality, usefulness, sturdiness, etc. that their grandfather used to use. And you can see straight from the box that it's a sturdy, well-constructed tool. It's a stainless steel shaft and head. It comes with the covers on the spikes for safety, obviously. It also comes with a 10-year guarantee. Now that's quite a statement. So basically it's the ultimate hand tool for both weeding and digging. You've got the three-pronged spikes one end, which are good for your weeding and cultivating, and the other end you've got a sharpened hoe edge for digging and hacking. So one side you can rake and pull out the surface weeds, and if there's any more stubborn, deeper weeds, you've got this fantastic sharp stainless steel edge to dig low and hard. Now another advantage of a tool like this is that generally you're on your hands and knees in the garden or on the edge of your beds, etc. And you then have to get up and get your long stem hoe and start working that. So it's down, up, down, up. Whereas if you're on your knees anyway, you've got two jobs at your fingertips. You can dig all these surface weeds out, rake them to one side, and as I've said before, you've got this really robust, sharp hoe face there that can dig down and can dig deep roots out, and I'm sure it's that sturdy, and it is quite sharp, that you could hack some smaller tree roots with that as well. This hard edge, sharp edge hoe face as well will be good for real compact soil. I can feel the surface soil here is fine, but I can feel it there. You get down to a level and you need something more robust. I'm impressed with the quality. I mean, as I said, this is stainless steel shaft and head, but also you can see the weld around there is a real good quality, substantial weld. So it's an engineering tool. Would I use this in my garden? Most definitely. Now these multi-hoe and cultivators range in price. A few people do them. You can go from the sort of the cheap Chinese end of the market for about £4.50 up to about £25. I think this one comes in somewhere in the region of 15. You can get it from greenmantools.com, and I'm not sure if it's available on Amazon or other platforms. I'll find out and I'll put a footnote in the video.